La mère de l'humanité pleure. Le cri du sang innocent de ses sœurs et enfants retentit de plus belle.
Last year, November 22, 2019, when I lost the father of my child as they were shooting guns, putting explosives. Then last month, we were in the market in the village where they came there. All of us were lying on the ground while they were doing their own work that they were doing. So they killed so many people. I also lost my brother in the shooting. I lost my uncle. They burnt him in the house.
As we Bali, we know they feel fine. We know they be free for waka for road because we be afraid for the waka for road. Even for go for farm, we be afraid. Even for go church. More than 6 months today, I never pass for church because we road for cross. It not be easy for cross or road for go for church. Now why that way will be worried for Bali. So with the police say, may we not try arrange say for the way we will be fine now for Bali. Where any man fit do it in free for Bali.
La femme camerounaise se lève en vue d'agir et d'apporter des résolutions aux multiples crises qui endeuillent le Cameroun.
J'ai 2 éléments qui sont capitaux. Il y a la connaissance et il y a la conscience. Nous voulons partager la connaissance que nous avons quant à la situation de nos sœurs dans le nord-ouest et le sud-ouest. Il s'agit des femmes qui pleurent, qui souffrent, qui enterrent leurs époux, qui enterrent leurs enfants au quotidien. Aujourd'hui, moi je suis à Douala, mes enfants vont à l'école sans problème, mais il n'en est pas des autres, de même des autres. Mes enfants dorment sur un lit confortable. De l'autre côté, les enfants dorment en brousse. Nombreux sont ceux qui ne vont pas à l'école. Que deviendront-ils? Comment fera-t-on pour leur restituer ces 4 années de perdu? Non, l'heure est grave. Je dis que l'heure est grave.
We don't want to see bloodshed again. We don't want us to see guns again. We are saturated with guns. In our farms, we are not safe. In markets, we are not safe. Even right in our kitchens, we are not safe. In churches, we are not safe. Our lives are not safe. We want to put an end to gunshots. We want to put an end to armored cars in our villages. We are too tired of getting these armored cars and the gunshots in our villages.
Le collectif de femmes leaders, mères de la nation, s'active et sensibilise.
And we are asking you, the women out there, whatever thing that is dividing us, let us put it to one side. We can pick it up later. When the society is fine, we can pick it up. But for now, we have a problem to solve. We have a fundamental problem to solve.
Every woman, as a mother of the nation, would get to results faster than if we had applied force. This is about asking each and every woman. So this year, we are having more and more people killed. When you go out, can you tell us in this Cameroon where we're living today, what you're celebrating?
Un vibrant appel est alors lancé pour plus de mobilisation en cette veille du 8 mars.
Ce 8 mars 2020, avec ce qui s'est passé à Ngarbou le 14 février, les mères de la nation se sont dit on ne peut pas sortir le 8 mars, qui est notre jour, c'est un jour qui appartient aux femmes, on ne peut pas sortir pour faire la fête. On ne peut pas sortir pour faire la fête quand on a cette guerre qui continue, quand on a ce type de massacre qui a eu lieu le 14 février et quand au niveau de la nation, on ne voit pas encore de voie d'issue. On ne voit pas encore de porte par laquelle les violences vont s'arrêter.
I'm not happy the way the state of Cameroon has approached this issue, because the Northwest and Southwest, for example, a special status that was given to them. We don't need a special status. And what is all about that special status? They are giving us special status when our brothers, our sisters, our husbands and our children are dying every day. Does it mean that this special status will come and reduce the number of deaths or bring back the people who have died?
À un pays comme le Cameroun, c'est un drame. C'est un drame national. Et nous allons marquer ça comme tel à l'occasion d'une grande journée qui est celle du 8 mars.
It is not a feast day, because I don't think with the number of children, with the number of women, with the number of husbands that have died from this crisis in Bamenda, I see no reason why women should go about celebrating the Women's Day.
Le recours à Dieu dont le secours est quasi indispensable en ce temps morose que traverse le pays s'est avéré alternative nécessaire pour les mères de la nation auprès de différentes obédiences.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن
and mountains fall into the ocean depths, even if the seas roar and rage, and the hills are shaken by the violence. There is a river that brings joy to the city of God, to the sacred house of the Most High. God is in that city, and it will never be destroyed. At early dawn he will come to its aid. Nations are terrified, kingdoms are shaken. God thunders, and the earth dissolves. The Lord Almighty is with us. The God of Jacob is our refuge. Come and see what the Lord has done. See what amazing things he has done on earth. He stops wars all over the world. He breaks bows, destroys spears.
We will take first a quiet moment, focusing on our human limitations, our own mistakes, our own ways in which we have contributed to the sufferings of those who are victims of this crisis, or other ways in which we have wronged God or a brother or a sister. We take time, we make that quiet reflection, and we confess our sins to God.
Dieu dans le Saint-Coran nous dit éviter la sédition. Parce que lorsqu'elle vient, elle n'épargne pas les innocents. Je ne sais pas qui vous a donné cette idée. Les femmes. Parce que quand je dis vous, c'est les femmes. Parce que là, je vois celle que j'appelle souvent ma mère, ma mère Alice. Il y a Madame Kawara, il y a Madame Takounde. Oui, bon, maintenant, moi, c'est la télévision. Alors là, je l'ai vu. Mais vraiment, ce que Dieu a dit, éviter la sédition, parce que lorsqu'elle arrive, elle n'épargne pas les innocents, est très très important. Parce que lorsque ça avait commencé, c'était l'étincelle. Aujourd'hui, voilà là où nous en sommes. Nous sommes arrivés à un niveau où vous, les femmes, vous avez compris.
Man of you like We don't be in a situation where when you hear God, you either sleep down or you start running into the bush. The number where they lay here, they never even give the number where they lay inside the bush. So inside the northwest and southwest, all the villages around be transformed into the bushes, and the bushes around be transformed into the villages. One time the sisters and the pastors of this church, where they make up, say, "May we come out." We see the sisters, they will don't say, they don't die. Sometimes we will see the years, but when you want more, you make clear your head. Time in our plenty, but this church.
We should have the strength. We should have the strength, not just for yesterday, today, and tomorrow, but to persist in standing up until this violence ends. There is a song that the women from Lavenda have talked about, and it is a perfect song, I think, because it speaks both to those who have departed and to us who remain behind. Martha, can I get help? My voice is not, it's not the best.
Stand Up for Cameroun, en rappel, se veut être une plateforme utile à la mobilisation de nombreux Camerounais en vue de trouver des solutions face à l'impasse que traverse le Cameroun. Pour cette cause, au prétexte du 8 mars, 3 jours n'auront peut-être pas été suffisants pour continuer l'élan à cette initiative.
Le mot, c'est d'inviter toutes les autres femmes camerounaises. C'est d'inviter tous les Camerounais. Parce que ce mouvement n'est pas... C'est les femmes qui ont pris les devants, mais c'est tous les Camerounais ensemble.